Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And because some of the comments made, I think it's important that I point out one study, peer-reviewed, from the U.S. This is in relation to how it could be used potentially in the future for cancer treatments. Its cannabinoid inhibits proliferation of breast cancer cells. Bear with me because this might be hard. Sean D. McAllister, scientist at California Pacific Medical Center Research Institute, stated the following in their August 2011 study titled Pathways Mediating the Effects of Cannabinoid Oil on the Reduction of Breast Cancer Cell Proliferation, Invasion, and Metastasis. That was published in the Breast Cancer Research and Treatment Journal. There is a general consensus in the field of cancer research that targeting multiple pathways that control tumor progression is the best strategy for the eradication of aggressive cancers. Since CBD has a low toxicity, it would be an ideal candidate for the use in combination treatments with additional drugs already used in the clinic. Importantly, CBD appears to be interacting through a cellular system that regulates the expression of key transcriptional factors, for example, ID1, that control breast cancer proliferation, migration, and invasion. The experiments described in this manuscript not only define the pathways that CBD is working through to control breast cancer aggressiveness, but also demonstrate the efficacy of CBD in preclinical models. A greater understanding of this system may lead to future therapies for breast cancer patients, including the additional refinement of CBD analog synthesis. I'm not willing to wait. I've had a mother with breast cancer. She came down with breast cancer when we were pregnant with her first child. It metastasized about 4 years after she was diagnosed. I'm tired of waiting for a federal government to legalize something that my mother has told me, and we've privately talked. She was totally against it 15 years ago. I was probably totally against it 5 or 7 years ago. I've done enough research that I think people should be allowed, and in this case, with the consent of their doctor, to decide what to put in their bodies. We keep hearing that it has no medical use. That's a peer-reviewed study that's printed in a breast cancer research journal. How many people are going to stand up here and keep saying that there's no research?
I bet nobody after that.
I wonder how many more people hit their button after I said all that. I'm tired of waiting for the federal government to tell us what we can put in our bodies. Thank you.